Hello, don't forget to do calendar and handwriting before you start your activities today. Hey everybody, welcome to week 5, day 1. We are going to use our hundreds chart to count to 30. So just follow along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Good job. We are moving on to our Math Journal 1. I'm going to draw my T-chart. Our number today is going to be 72. So now we're in the 70s. 72. All right, how many tens are in the number 72? 7. Good job. How many ones are in 72? 2. Good job. So we are going to make a model of that. So here's part of our model. Remember that our toilet paper rolls represent 10. Okay, so each of these represent 10. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And then we have 2 ones. 1, 2. I am running out of room. I'm going to have to start doing these on the floor. All right, so we have 7 tens and 2 ones. And that is 72 in place value form. Let's go ahead and spell out 72. SEVENTY-TWO. 72. Moving into our second box, which is greater than, less than this week. We are going to start with less, so which one has less? Okay, so I've got 12 and 15. So which symbol would go between the 12 and the 15? Would it be less than, greater than, equal to? Okay, so which one has less? That's my question. Which one has less? The 12 has less. How do we know that? Well, let's look at our tens place real quick. Our tens place is equal, right? They're equal because they both have a 1 in the tens place. But let's look at our ones place in our numbers. Ooh, 2 is smaller than 5. So I'm going to say 12 is less than 15. So that means 12 has less. That's the answer to our question. 12 has less. 12 is less than 15. Our alligator chomper is facing towards that 15 because 15 has more. And I went ahead and circled that less than so you can see that that's the one we chose if we had our multiple choice. Okay, on the bottom we are moving into subtraction. So I have 8 minus 7 equals. Okay, so I'm going to be bringing a friend in to help us with this subtraction problem, and I'll show you here in a little bit what I'm talking about. All right, everybody say hello to Buggy. He is going to help us with our subtraction problem today. So if we remember, our subtraction problem is 8 minus 7. So we're going to work that in with Mr. Buggy here, who absolutely loves cookies. All right, so once again, our subtraction problem is 8 minus 7. So that means that Mr. Buggy would start off with 8 cookies, right? So we've got 8 cookies. Let's count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's say that Mr. Buggy ate 7 cookies. Oh my goodness. So let's say he ate 7 cookies. That's a lot of cookies, right? So we're going to take away 7 cookies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cookies does Buggy have left? Just 1 cookie left, right? So 8 take away 7 equals 1. So we are going to write that down for our subtraction problem. Mr. Buggy had 8 cookies, he ate 7 of them, and now he just has 1. Good job. Now we are going to work this out from the board as well. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that, and we'll work it out on the board. If we were to show our work in writing, we would write out the 8, that's the bigger number, right? And we're subtracting, so we don't have to draw the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then how many do we mark out? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then that leaves how many left? 1. Good job. So 8 minus 7 equals 1. We are now on Math Journal 2. I'm going to divide our board in half. Our number today is going to be 17. So that's a 1 and a 7. We are going to spell out the number 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. We are going to show what number 17 looks like in place value form. So let's go ahead and get our toilet paper roll out, which represents a 10. And then our ones, which is our pieces of paper. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we've got 1, 10, and 7 ones. So I'm going to draw a picture of what that looks like. We have our stick and then our 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is what 17 looks like in place value form. On the bottom, we are going to do count by 2, and we are going to count by 2 all the way to 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. And that is how you count by 2s to 30. Thank you guys for joining me for our math journal today. Everybody did a great job.